To edit photos in Canva in mobile, you want to come to your photo editor on your Canva homepage, and you would see your photos from here. You want to scroll down to find the photo you want to edit. For me, I want to edit this photo and I'm going to tap on it. My photo will open up like this and I have the option to do all these things to the photo. I'm going to click on adjust and go to adjust photo. You see it has adjusted my photo. I'm going to swipe here to find the adjustment I want to do. If I come over to color edit, I can tweak this color. Let me click on the green that is on the background and tone down the sharpness, and I want to also tone this down. You see, I'm only changing the background color, and maybe I should take it higher up. You can see you can do all this to your photo here. And you can also come to select the foreground only. So I want to edit only my image, not together with the background. You see it's selected. And what I can do is to come over to adjust, and I can increase the sharpness of my image. You see what it's doing to my image. I can come over to highlight and take the highlights up, the highlight down, depending on what works for you. And you can come to shadows and probably take the shadow up. That's what I'm going to do for this image. I'll come to the blacks and I'll increase the blacks, so my hair is black. I will go back, select here again, and select my background to work on that. Once I have my background selected, I can do a BG background. Let's click on BG generator. I would say inspire me. You're going to create this. You can go through each of them and see the one that works for your vibe. If you like the background, or you can write your prompt and say generate again. I sort of like this one. I'm going to click on done. Another thing I can do is I can go to effects. I can come over to dual tone. I can make my image to be black and white. If I swipe here, I have all those color options to work on my image. And if I still click into this custom black and white, I can change things from the colors. One more thing I can do is that I can crop my image. I'm going to crop this image, crop in like so, and crop this in like so. I'm going to click on done. And I can also apply filters. Let me go into the filters to see what filter will work for me. Let me go over to warm. I sort of like Capri. Once you're happy with how your image looks, this sort of works well for me. You're going to click on this arrow to download your image. No need to go into the Canva editor. But if you want to do things like grab your image and every other flexibility you want to and put it into a frame and all that, you need to click this checkbox here and open this as a new design to make further edits. Or if you want to come back, you can save it to Canva and close.